Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. If you're seeing download failed on WhatsApp when receiving photos, videos, voice messages, or documents on Android, the issue usually involves storage, connectivity, or permissions. Here's a full guide to fix it. 1. Check internet connection. WhatsApp requires a stable internet connection to download media. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try loading a web page or using another app to test connectivity. Restart your router if using Wi-Fi. 2. Enable auto-download. Ensure WhatsApp is set to auto-download media. Open WhatsApp, click the three dots icon at the top right corner, select Settings, and tap on Storage and Data. Under Media Auto-Download, enable photos, audio, videos, and documents for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. 3. Check phone storage. If your device is low on storage, WhatsApp can't download media. Go to Settings, scroll down, and select Battery and Device Care, and tap Storage. And check how much space is available. Delete unnecessary files, uninstall unused apps, or clear app caches. WhatsApp may need at least 1 GB of free space to work properly. 4. Check WhatsApp storage permission. Make sure WhatsApp has permission to access storage. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps, then search for WhatsApp. Tap on Permissions, then enable Files and Media or Storage. 5. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date, time can cause download issues due to SSL verification errors. Go to Settings, scroll down, and select General Management. Then tap on Date and Time. Enable Automatic Date and Time or set it manually to the correct time. 6. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary system glitches that prevent media downloads. 7. Clear WhatsApp cache. Long press on your WhatsApp app, then tap Info app, then select Storage. Tap Clear Cache. 8. Update WhatsApp. An outdated version can cause unexpected bugs. Go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Tap Update if available. 9. Reinstall WhatsApp. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store. Restore your chats from backup. Now you know how fix WhatsApp download failed error on Android. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.